welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here, and if you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button because I really appreciate it and it helps support my channel and all of that. And also make sure you hit the bell notification right next to the subscribe button. I just finished making my to-do list. My voice keeps cracking like that. I just finished making my to-do list for today. Today is Sunday, so I'm bringing you guys a productive Sunday in my life, kind of my Sunday routine. And like one of the key things that I want to show you guys is how I prepare for the upcoming week and how I plan out my week ahead. So I want to show you guys that later in the vlog, but I have a couple of other things I'm going to be doing today, and I also work, so it's going to be a very productive day. On days that I work, I start at 4, so when I work I try to get a lot done before I leave, and then when I come back around like 8:45ish, I still want to be productive and get everything else done in my list later on after work, and then hopefully try to sleep early tonight because the past couple of days I've been sleeping really late, and it's a start to a new week, and my birthday is on Tuesday, so I don't want to be exhausted tomorrow. I want to try to sleep early tonight and, you know, get a lot done this week. So let's just get into the vlog. I'm gonna have to put away groceries soon, so hopefully they found some of my oat milk because I'm running low. Just put some laundry dry on this rack, and now I'm ready to start editing. Now I'll turn off this light and turn on the big light because it's just so much better for my eyes. Sorry if you can hear the fan, but I need it on so I can dry the clothes faster. Alright, I just finished eating and uploading my video before, so now I'm going to clean. So I use this to clean like the walls and dust off the TV, and then I'm going to go in and wipe down my desk with a damp cloth. And yeah, so we just use these Swiffer dusters, and we have the stick that it goes on, and it's super easy, and you get like everywhere with it. It's so convenient. Alright guys, I just finished cleaning my room and cleaning off my desk and wiping things down like you guys just saw. So I have to get ready for work because I have to leave in like 10-15 minutes. I didn't get to work out today like I wanted to because my video took longer to upload because I realized that I didn't lower the music in the background enough, and I didn't want to just upload it. Like, it wasn't terrible, but it was kind of a little bit too loud, and I don't like that, and I don't want to just upload something and, you know, so I wanted to fix it and then resave it and re-upload. So it took a while, but it's okay. I can work out tomorrow and the next day and stuff like that, so it's fine if I miss out on a day, even though it was on my to-do list. Like, don't stress yourself out if you don't have enough time for stuff, because even me on my very productive days, things don't go as planned all the time. So right now I'm gonna get ready and I'll see you guys all after work at around like 8:45. And today I'm going to blow out my hair, so I'm going to show you guys some products that I use before I blow it out to make it kind of look like I went and got it done, but really I just did it myself. So see you guys all in the next clip. I'm back home, so I just finished showering and washing my hair, so I'm going to be blowing my hair out, and I'm going to be showing you guys a product that I freaking love to use before I blow out and straighten my hair. And this is the product. It is for Silk Blowout Quick Drying Thermal Spray, and it's great. It also has heat protectant in it, which is really great, so I really love it, and it just makes my hair look super like silky and nice afterwards. A lot of people, like when we could go to school, when I would have my hair like blown out and straightened, a lot of people would say like, oh my god, your hair, like, did you get it done? But really I just did it myself, and I've just gotten better at doing my hair each and every time I do it, and I just know what works for me and what I like. And I just use the Conair blow drying brush, and then I use a Conair straightener. Both are really old. I actually want to get like a new straightener in the near future, not right now, but definitely need a new one because we've had that one for so long. Still works really well, but I feel like I just want one that's a little newer. So right now I'm going to spray this all throughout my hair, brush it through, put on my Peter Thomas Roth new face mask, the pumpkin enzyme one that I showed you guys in my last vlog, I believe. I like to do that like every other day just so it's more effective until my hyperpigmentation goes away. So far I've noticed that on this side the marks are slowly fading faster and faster, so I guess it's doing a good job. I'll keep you guys updated, but let's get started. I need to put my tripod back on my camera because I honestly like love using it, and when I don't have it on, it's just not the same. Also, if you're wondering why I'm blowing out my hair, because like we're in quarantine, but my birthday is on Tuesday, so I just want to have it done, and I'm filming some videos tomorrow, so I also like to just look a little bit more put together even if I'm not like going anywhere. Alright, so I'm gonna let it be and put on my face mask for 10 minutes, and then I'll start my hair. So this is the blow drying brush I use. It's the Infinity Pro by Conair, and it just looks like this. It's so much easier than the other type of blow dryers because I'm not good at those, so this is like perfect. And then again, the Infinity Pro flat iron. So that's what I'm about to do right now. So while I do it, I have my AirPods in. I'm gonna watch either some YouTube or my show just to make time go faster. Usually it doesn't take me that long. Right now it is 9:36. I'm sitting by the mirror, by the way. It's 9:36. I should be done no later than like 10:15. So I'll keep you guys posted, but here's a little before. It's starting to like dry up, but it's like the perfect dampness for me to start. Alright guys, this is the final product of my hair. So long. It honestly has gotten so freaking long. I'm going to show you guys like from the back. So this is how my hair looks. It's so long. It's almost back, like it's almost up to where my butt is. It used to be this long a while ago, and I would cut it, but it grows so fast no matter what. Like every time I cut it and get a trim, I always know it's going to grow back. And plus, since quarantine has started, I haven't been doing my hair often, so it's been natural and just growing super long. So it didn't take me that long. Right now I'm going to actually, I need to take my AirPods off. I don't know why I have them on still, but I'm about to show you guys how I plan out my week. So let's sit down and do that before we get into bed. So when I'm planning out my week, I just open up my calendar and I just kind of see like the dates. So this week I already know Tuesday is my birthday, so I'm going to be vlogging my birthday, and I'm really excited for that. So that's another video already that I'm filming. And then tomorrow is Monday. I don't work, so on days that I don't work, I love to film a lot of videos. So I'm thinking of filming 2 videos tomorrow, or filming one and finishing off this other video that I just need to add some like extra clips in. So I'm thinking of doing those 2 tomorrow, and if I can finish both of those, schedule them up on YouTube so I don't have to worry about them, I'll be really happy. Because then that kind of like sets me at a good pace, so I don't have to worry about like filming, editing, and posting in one day if I'm like behind and I want to get a video up, because I'm really hard on myself when it comes to like making sure I'm being consistent. So Wednesday I work again, so if I film that video tomorrow, finish the other one, I'll plan out to film another sit down video, maybe like a quick one, because sometimes some sit down videos are quicker than others, depends. So I can do another one on Wednesday maybe. And whenever my hair's done, I also try to take advantage and take some Instagram pictures, trying to be consistent on there too. So maybe I'll get in some Instagram pictures tomorrow, and maybe on my birthday. I already took some the other day that I'm gonna post on my birthday, but since my hair's done, maybe I'll take some more just so I have some extra content to put out. And then let's see, I work Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, so back to back. So Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday are basically like my grind days for a lot of YouTube content. So I think on Thursday I'll try to film 2 more videos. If not, 1 is fine, as long as I film it and like edit it, most of it, and then I can edit the rest. Usually that's how it works. Like if I don't finish editing it that day, if I'm like filming 2, because that's a lot of footage, you know, and I still want to like do things for myself, like work out, hang out with like my family and stuff, and just do other stuff like watch YouTube, just be lazy sometimes. So usually the way it goes is if I don't finish editing it, I'll do it the next day. So like Friday before I go to work, I'll like sit and edit it in the morning while I have coffee or something. So that's kind of how I plan out my days after school is done, since I'm focusing on my YouTube right now and just trying to grind and be consistent on there, be consistent with posting on Instagram. So that's kind of basically what my days revolve around right now, is trying to just grow and grow and grow those 2 things right now. So that's how I plan out my week, since I don't really have much else going on besides work, so I kind of plan around work. Alright, now that my to-do list is all checked off, even though I didn't do my workout, which is okay, you know, things happen. But anyways, so my to-do list is all checked off. I always like to make sure that like after the day, so I don't forget, I like to check it off. Just makes me feel even more accomplished and extra productive. Since I did a lot today despite me having work. Usually Sundays are like that for me though, because even though I work, it's usually like that cleaning day. I feel like most people have that like cleaning Sunday, you know, do laundry, go grocery shopping for the week. And I'm happy I get to show you guys how I do my hair and how I have it looking super silky and stuff after I blow it out. So I really love that product. I feel like it makes a huge difference. So comment down below maybe any of your like hair favorites if you have something you use to do it at home. But I really recommend, if you can get into doing your hair, your nails at home, I feel like you will save so much money, because I don't go out to get my nails done unless it's like a super special occasion, and I don't go to get my hair like blow dried and stuff, because I just do them myself. I curl it myself when I have like a party or event to go to. What else? And I do my makeup myself. So if you can save your money by doing those things, then might as well just get into it, honestly. Even if you're not good at it in the beginning, getting a blow drying brush has helped me so much, because I'm not good at blow drying my hair with the other thing, like a regular blow dryer. But anyways, I'm gonna head to bed because it's late and I need to wake up early tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, gotta grind, gotta film some videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed this productive Sunday, and if you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, because hitting the subscribe button helps me, and also leaving a like will help me a lot, and I love all of my support that I've been getting. And with that being said, I will see you guys all in the next video. Good night, guys.